pandemic. This is what we are planning. You will receive a Google link document link. When you receive it, you click on it and you do this as in the video. So the link is quite long. So you put your, won't be this colourful, but it will look like this. And you push the, and it should open up on the Google document. Okay, here it is. So there's the campaign, and since we're trying to view it with a little bit more, we're going to make it a bit bigger. So there it is. So the beginning requires you to read some information about the issue. In this case, it's a campaign to stop US troops arriving in Darwin. You will all be aware that every April, somewhere in the vicinity of 2,500 US Marines come for 3 or 4 months to live in Darwin. So there's a whole lot of information and background there for you, and you scroll through that and you read the various comments from various people, and you go down, and the first thing says take action. So here we have the party General Secretary outside Pine Gap in 2016, and this is a sentence that we're asking you to send to the Prime Minister. And you go down here a bit further, and here's his link. So again, you push Control, and why is that working? Oh, sorry. Oh, well, all right. Well, for some reason that link's not working, so you just copy it and you put it in the, there's always, you put it in the heading like this, and you go Control V and you go Enter. So there's how you contact him, the Prime Minister, and then down here, if you'd like to contact, you have to click there. So you click there and you get a contact form, and you write your name and everything down here, and then you get to the comments and you come back to the campaign and you scroll up till you get the, here's what we're asking people to say to the Prime Minister. So that's, we cross that, we go back to the Prime Minister and we click here and we go Control V. I've already done mine, so, and then you click Upload and Submit. So that all took, maybe according to my watch, it took about 3 minutes. That's 3 minutes to write to the Prime Minister, and then you submit it. Okay, so that's how you would do it. All the links are there, and there's a similar one back here. There's a similar one to the Foreign Minister, and you do the same thing. And with the Defence Minister, there's a similar one here, except that you have to send an email to her. So that's I think that would be somewhere in the vicinity of 12 to 20 minutes of work by comrades. And that's what the party's asking you to do. We're not asking for an arm and a leg, we're just asking you to let the Prime Minister know that there shouldn't be this many Marines coming into Darwin. All right?